Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be trying out Plan Remastered. I don't really know what else to say, so let's get straight into it. Game 1. Oh. No loading time. Oh. Alright. I should have looked at that floor before I left, but that's alright. Hello buddy. This is weird. When I said this is weird, I meant like I can go up and down with my camera. Oops. Cool. Can holster stuff? Holster? I don't know if that's the right word. Alright. Where was I before? This room, it had like a thing in it. Yeah, I was in here. Doesn't seem like there's really anything I can even do in here, so go to floor 2. Engrave. Yeah, it's a graveyard. And it's locked, so I'll come back when I have a key. There's the helmet, but I can't grab it. Probably because it's in lava. Makes sense. Floor number 4. Hello, buddy. Can I can I give you coffee? What is that? Okay. Oh, I'm so sorry. My apologies. Don't give him coffee. I might be able to give him water or something. Snowman? Snowman have water? Doesn't look like it. Oh, that goes down into the floor below, so I could like I don't even know. Melt him, turn him into water and cut that thing and water the plant or something? I do not know. Hello, buddy. I think I need that key. Gotta break the glass, can I? Nope. Alright. I'm on floor 6, yeah. Well, dang, I'm already clueless. That's great. Can I take your hat? Nope. Hey, what's up? Alright, he just went back to sleep. Well, dang. Already lost. I need boots and a helmet. What was this? Oh, I remember, it's the lava, yeah. Don't think there's anything else in there. Did I miss anything in here? Is there something I can grab? Like something on the table? Oh, maybe the worker wants coffee. Wake him up. You know. Hello, sir. Would you like some coffee? Oh, thank you for the key. What are you doing, bro? He's tweaking. Key goes to the cemetery. The graveyard. Cool. I think there's a shovel in the in here. Oh, nice. Cool. Gonna go back and see if I can dig up the grave or something. Heck yeah, I got a skull. Who needs a skull? Um, I don't really know. Can I? Huh? Oh. Oh, hey, that's on fire. I might be able to, like, burn that rope or burn the snowman. I'm gonna try the rope first. Yeah. Cool, now I'm gonna go burn the snowman and give him water so he can grow. I don't know what the skull goes to, though. You want this? Sorry. Alright, you want this? Oh, hey, he has a boot. Do I need a second boot? I do not know. No, I can't wear the hat. I'm gonna keep his hat, though. What is that? I don't know. Gotta go here, give him the boot. Hello, buddy. Yeah, I still gotta get another boot for him. Oh, I guess every time I give him something, it unlocks more places. So, I still need to go get the helmet and another boot. Let's go to floor 7. Cool. I like this so far, it's pretty fun. Only just getting started. This looks silly. You dancing? Oh, hey, he has the other boot. How do I get that? I don't know. I'll come back later. Bowling. I'm not too good at bowling, so hopefully I don't have to. Oh, crap. I might have to. Come back when I have a ball or something. Or can I, like... That did not work. Yeah, that doesn't work. I need a bowling ball. Floor 9. Hello, buddy. Are you okay? You want the hat? I'm pretty sure I saw a picture of him in this room, because I saw like a pig that had like a... I think it had a hat and a hourglass. Not an hourglass, I meant to say a monocle, dude. I'm stupid. Nice. That's why I gave him the hat. Now he's styling. What's up, buddy? Do I gotta give you a coin or something? Anything else for you? You want this? Okay. Okay. Floor 10. Oh. What the heck? Can I have your gun? Why is he like reaching at me? He a weirdo. So he shoots whatever he grabs. Fireplace. Oh, hey, this is like a mini version of that other room. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Wait, that's not gonna work. I was gonna say, like, if I go here, will it be a big version of that? But I think it's just gonna be really small. I think I'd have to put it in here and then make it big. Yeah, now it's just a tiny skull. For, what was that? 11. Well, I don't need a skull, I don't think. Well, I don't have anything else, so... I was gonna say, does a skull go in the graveyard, but I think that's where I got it from. Oh, let me go check on the plant. I don't think I looked at the plant. Hey, money. Go give this to the pig. Hello, buddy. You want this? He does. Oh, and he gives me a coin. The gumball guy want a coin? hello. I'm so sorry. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm gonna bring it to the... Do I put it... Yeah, big room and then go grab it. It'll be a smaller coin. I think. I believe so. Because that's gonna be a little coin on the ground now. Alright, nice. Gotta go back to the gumball guy. And give him this coin. Hopefully he takes it. Give me a gumball. I wanna know how I get that, boot from that bee. Thank you. Oh hey, I could use this, as a bowling ball probably. He just died. Did y'all see that? That's tragic. Oh, I'll probably have to make it bigger. I don't think this will work. It's tiny. Yeah. Thank you. Wait, so I gotta put it in little... Wait. Yeah, I think I put it in big and then I grab it when I'm little and then it'll be bigger. I believe so. Yes, that is a big bowling ball. That might be too big. Might not be what this is for, but I hope so. Can I eat it? Oh, heck yeah. Yay! What is this? A gun? A magnet gun. And a brick? A magnet? Oh wait, hold on. Can I get the helmet out of the lava? Where's the lava? Is this one? Does that work? No. Okay. Never mind then. The brick. Hold on. Over here the window is cracked. I tried breaking it earlier. I'm sure a brick will break it. Yeah. Now what? I do not know. Is there anything I could like grab with this anywhere? The hand or that arm thing? Oh, I could grab the racks of meat? Is that important at all? Why did it let me do that? I do not know. Alright. Going to the flower now. See if anything's changed or... Oh, he wants more water. How do I get him more water? Nope. There's nothing else here, is there? Yeah. Already got everything. Yeah, there's a cowboy. Oh! Maybe the robot cowboy I can... I don't even know. Will that do bring him towards me? Can I grab the boot from him? Oh, wait. Am I supposed to be holding it down? Maybe... I'm gonna go try the helmet again real fast just because I was like clicking, not holding down. Yeah, no. Wait, cowboy. Oh, I was wanting to press every button at once. But it didn't let me. It did not. Oh, it does pull him towards me, that's So, I'll take your gun or something? Hold on. I could take your... Can I have that back? Hey. Oh, that goes right there. Cool, now... Oh, water! Oh, I did not mean to click that button. Yes. Oh, okay, I'm drowning. That's amazing. There's meat and water and I'm dead. Okay, so it's like it's a help button if I ever need it. So that'll definitely, water the plant if it'll let me. Okay, no, it's just an instant death animation. Cool. Cool. So in that case, I'm confused. Oh, wait, wait, never mind. That, the gumball dude had a snorkel thing on. But he's gone now, he's dead. He died. Yeah. That sucks. Was I supposed to get that from him or something? Or did it go somewhere else? Is he in the graveyard since he's dead? Oh my god, he is. I was not expecting that, but that's goated. How do I get that out? Gotta get another shovel or something? I don't know, but at least I know, what I'm looking for. Wish I had, like... I was gonna say, I wish I had my magnet gun back, but I guess it wouldn't really make a difference. Can I take your hat? No. Dang, yeah, I'm confused. I don't know. I just have a skull. Maybe the skull scared this dude and he's gonna run? Rah! No. Oh, it did. That's good, dude. Heck yeah. Where did he go? To the graveyard as well? It looks like it. It's outside and it's dark. Oh. Hey, break that for me, twin. Thank you, thank you. I really appreciate that. Nice. Oh, he gave me another gumball. I don't know what for, but now I can go to the fish thing and water the plant again. I could also look around down here now. Nothing really. Okay. Back to the plant. Hey, how you feel about that? Oh, nice. Come through. It went another floor. Cool. Come through. Or come through. I thought it was gonna be right in that hole, but went up another floor. How high is this going? Oh, maybe the bee. It's gonna like come to this one, and a flower is gonna sprout. Yeah. Now I can get the boot. Let's go. Hey, come here, brother. What? Not where I aimed. Hey, come here, brother. Give me that. Give me your boot. Wait. Why can't I take it? Okay, I need something else to be able to take it. Crap. Who wants a gumball? Do you want a gumball? Hello. Take that. I don't know, I'm confused. I'm gonna make it bigger. No, wait, I gotta... Yeah, I gotta do it the other way around. Now I'm gonna let him shoot the big ball. Am I supposed to go bowling again? No. No? Alright, can I bring this to the fish? Fish food? I don't know, man. Someone eat that. I don't think they want that. Oh, wait, hold on, it's like a pearl. I don't know if that's related at all, but it looks like that, the pearl. I don't know. Where else could I bring water? In here? And make it like flood or something, man? Maybe the other room so it could like actually flood, cause that was wrong. So the little floor. Wait, or did I mean? I don't even remember. That didn't work anyway, so. This all has like a beanstalk now. A giant root. That arm looks like I'm supposed to do something with it, but I can't interact with it. Am I? Do I need this thing somehow? I'm confused. I don't want to call the help person, but low-key I'm thinking about it just because, I don't really know what to do anymore. Oh, hey, he ate it. Now it's chewed up, thank you. What can I do with chewed up gum? I was gonna say grab the helmet, but I don't know, might as well try it. Nope. How am I gonna be able to grab that helmet? Or when am I gonna be able to? And is it gonna give me more floors if I do? I guess I wouldn't mind that, that'd be cool. I don't know how long this game is, if I'm able to beat it in this part, I guess I will, but if it comes to it, then, I'll make a part 2 or 3 or whatever. Oops. Shoot this. Okay. Never mind. Yeah, I don't need to go to the pig. Oh, wait. Hold on. Look, I'm gonna put it on the flower and, like, the bee's gonna get stuck on it. Yeah, okay, yeah. Bet. So now I can get the boot. Or is the boot gonna get stuck in that too? It looked like it is. Please let me have it. No. Oh yeah. Cool. Bet. Can I go put this on it? Is this gonna give me more floors? I think it will. It looks like I just need to get 2 more pieces and then I'm done, so. Or I don't know if that is the end, but I'm assuming I just gotta get another one. Dang, alright. Nothing? Didn't give me anything? So... Huh? I must be missing something. Because if that didn't give me anything new, whatever I need is already here. So I'm gonna just run through all the floors and look for anything. Yeah, I still can't grab that thing. Anything new here? Do I have to do anything else with a coffee? Probably not, because I already used it, but I might keep that in mind. Still got the coffee there. Yeah, look, there's the coffee, this meat. That could just be background, but that looks like, that's like the same kind of arm the dude, the, cowboy has. So it just makes me think I might need it. Day. No days without a casualty. Okay. Well, I already got what I needed from in here, so I don't think I need anything else. I can't even grab that gum back or nothing. And I already got everything in here. The pig ran away, so I don't think he's here. Yeah, nothing else in here either. Cowboy? Cowboy's like all I got left, I guess. I don't know. Like, can I take your hat or your gun or something? Oh, look, yeah, he does that thing where he throws something up and shoots it, so he probably has to shoot something, but I don't have anything to give him. Alright, no, it's probably not looked highly upon, but I'm probably about to ask for help just because I am confused. I don't see anything else. Other than, like, the meat upstairs, but, I don't know. Let me go flood this room and see what happens. Yeah, nothing. Maybe I can grow the plant even more? I'm not sure. But I'm running out of ideas, so I think I will click that soon. If this doesn't work. Yeah, he doesn't care. I don't think they grew it at all. Yeah, nope. Need something? Yeah, give me a hint. So... that thing is handling raw meat. So I'm definitely supposed to use this. But it says... Oh, wait a second, I have an idea. Yeah, he reaches his arm in here. Hold on, look. I'm gonna... He's gonna reach it in, and I'm gonna shut the elevator, and hopefully it, like, gives me his arm. I don't know. Yes. Now I can grab the meat. I don't know. Earlier I said, like, that arm over there is like that robot's arm, and I saw that one grabbing the meat, so I was thinking, oh, what if I need that arm? And I did. So what, do I gotta go feed fish now, or something? Because I see that fish down there eating meat. Come here, fishy fishy. Okay, there goes my fish. Where would I bring a fish? Oh, wait a second. I don't know why I haven't tried this. What if I, like, pour water on the lava? And also, I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that fish. Did that work? I still can't grab it, but the fire and lava's gone now. So, I guess that's cool. Let me go back here. Get another piece of meat. Go feed another fish, but what do I do with a fish? Cowboy probably doesn't want it. Gumball. Pig. I really don't know what to do with the fish, man. I'm gonna bring it to the volcano since I got, like, water in there now. I want to see if it lands in the water. Maybe it can, get the helmet for me. Hey, it is in the water. Please grab that, bro. You're so awesome. Thank you. I love you, dude. Have a nice rest of your life. Alright, give me that. Thank you. Alright, bet. Let's go. Do I unlock any more after this, or is this all? Hello. Oh. Whoa. Hey, nice. Is there more? If so, I might leave this as part 1 and make a part 2, but we'll see. Hello. Oh, is there like a puzzle inside my elevator? Or am I getting kidnapped? I am. Oh, I'm going to space, bet. Let's go. I am not getting kidnapped. Wow. That's the cowboy. What's he doing up here? And the pig too. That's a fun little game. Cool. I really enjoyed that. I also have Floor Plan 2, so I plan to play that soon on the channel. I feel like that'll be pretty fun. Pressed 114 buttons. I got 1 hint, sadly. 40 ounces of coffee spilled. Shortchanged by pig. Hey, fair enough. I gave him $1. He gave me $0.25. Gutter balls thrown 1. Water dumped. That's a lot of gallons. Things thrown a gumball machine 2. And finished that in 34 minutes. Alright. Prototype elevator unlocked. You can now access the button prototype elevator from the main menu. What is that? Oh, and there's floor plan 2. I already have this, so. What? Look at that. Over 6 hours of new puzzles. So. That's really neat. I'll definitely be able to make a few parts of this, or probably a lot of parts. 6 hours? But what is this? Prototype? See where floor plan began in this restored playable prototype of the game from the early days of VR. Oh, that's neat. If y'all want to see me test out the prototype, leave a comment or leave a like or whatever. I might make a video on this soon, because that does sound pretty interesting and this is pretty fun. But I'm about to wrap this video up. I definitely want to try out Floor Plan 2 sometime soon. Anyway, I really appreciate y'all watching, and if y'all enjoyed what y'all saw, please feel free to leave a like and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. And more videos coming soon on I Expect You to Die and also Red Matter. I already have those recorded. I just need to edit them and put them out. So yeah, y'all have a great rest of y'all's day. Thank you for watching.